Niccolo Machiavelli's life story explained in 1 minute. Did you know the man behind the most famous book on ruthless power was actually a loyal public servant who got tortured before he ever wrote a single word of it? Machiavelli was born in 1469 in Florence, Italy. He spent 14 years as a diplomat and government official, negotiating with kings and popes on behalf of his city. He was devoted to Florence completely. Then in 1512, a rival political family seized power and everything collapsed. Machiavelli was fired, arrested, and tortured on the rack. He lost his career, his purpose, and his freedom almost overnight. Broke and desperate, he retreated to a small farm outside the city. There, he wrote The Prince, a cold and practical guide to political power, and quietly dedicated it to the very rulers who had destroyed his life. It was essentially a job application. He never got the job. He died in 1527, still on the outside looking in. The man history remembers as a symbol of ruthless manipulation spent his whole life just trying to serve his city.